In this video, I'm going to explain how to create campaigns inside of Salesforce CRM. I'll be also explaining what exactly campaigns are, what are the uses, and how we can create one inside of Salesforce CRM easily. Welcome to Fingertip Technologies. My name is Saurav. Just before we get into the video, if your business needs any assistance with Salesforce CRM consultation and implementation, please check out our website below. We help businesses all around the world with Salesforce CRM consultation and implementation. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. Campaigns are a standard object in Salesforce used to plan, manage, and track marketing activities. Examples include webinars, trade shows, email marketing, social media promotions, and SMS campaigns. Campaigns help businesses understand which marketing efforts are generating leads, contacts, opportunities, and revenue. They play a crucial role because they help track marketing performance, measure return on investment, connect marketing efforts to sales opportunities, and identify which campaigns are most successful. To access these, open the app launcher and search for campaigns. Click on New to create a campaign. Enter the campaign name, such as webinar. Set the start and end dates, budget cost, actual cost, expected revenue, and mark the campaign as active. Then save the record. Once the campaign is created, we can add campaign members. Campaign members can be leads or contacts. When leads or contacts respond to a campaign, their status can be updated to responded. As leads are converted into contacts and opportunities, Salesforce tracks how the campaign influenced those opportunities. Campaign influence helps identify which campaigns contributed to closed deals and revenue generation. One of the most important matrices in campaigns is ROI, or return on investment. Salesforce calculates ROI using the formula total value of won opportunities minus actual cost divided by actual cost. This helps businesses understand how profitable a campaign is. For example, if a webinar generates multiple opportunities that convert into closed won deals, Salesforce automatically reflects that revenue in the campaign and calculates ROI. This is how automated tasks and campaigns work together in Salesforce to improve productivity, ensure follow-ups, track marketing efforts, and drive business growth. I hope this video has clearly explained what campaigns are and how you can create one inside of Salesforce CRM. If you found the video useful, please give it a like and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.